Hello YouTube viewers, in this video I'll be showing you a happy birthday video. Well, not showing you, but this is a happy birthday video for Windows ME. Okay, so 13 years ago today, Windows ME was released. This was the last operating system to have the 9X kernel in it. Now, this operating system was would hopefully end the 9X series with a bang, because the 9X series had been going on for about 5 years at the time. So anyway, yeah. Now, you would have thought this would be a good end to the 9X series. Well, sadly, it's not, because I'll tell you why later. But anyways, here's the boot screen, and the logo looks like Windows 2000-ish, except with the box here. The boot up is really nice. Just managed to catch a glimpse of it. So yeah, you would thought the 9X series would end with a bang. Well, it sort of didn't. But again, like I said, I will tell you later. Put it in the corner here. Move this around here. Okay, so here it is. So it says here, enter network password. Little password thing. Oh, and what normally would come up at boot up is a little what would normally come up in boot up is a little scan disk thing would come up. And this is where people started having their problems. If you didn't shut it down correctly, you would get a scan disk box replacing the DOS-like scan disk from Windows 98. But instead we actually get a proper window, but the problem is it appeared every time you booted up, and that's when I started having my problems. So anyways, we'll click on OK. Sorry it's slow because my screen recorder. But yeah. So anyways, Windows ME had its problems, and it had very big problems as well. Just startup sound came up. So the startup sound, just like to mention, is like Windows 2000. It's pretty much just a Windows 2000 startup usually. Okay, so here is the desktop itself. So here it is. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, you get a wallpaper in the operating system saying Windows ME Millennium Edition, which is quite nice. And originally, if you clicked on this, it would direct you to the update page, but it doesn't. It sort of can't do that anymore because, of course, you can't do it on XP and other operating systems. Just show you the system information. Oh, yep. Microsoft Windows ME. This is build 300. Very nice. And here is the start menu with Windows ME Millennium Edition here. Now, people, when they're at the desktop, when they were working on this operating system, in other words, when you get to work on this operating system, this is when people start having their problems, and even critics as well. Quite a lot of people, and myself, actually hate this operating system for a few reasons. 1, it's laggy. 2, it's very, very buggy. And 3, it is pretty unstable. So yeah, that is a big problem there. And also another thing is they pretty much got the same installation process as what they did in Windows 98 as well, which is kind of a bit copying it. People wish that they would have a new setup, but no, it's the same as Windows 98, weirdly. So yeah, that is when people started having their problems. But other than the critics' problems, it did introduce quite a good new little features. First of all, it introduced a new Windows Media Player. You see, it's this here, which I think was also in Windows 2000 as well. Windows Media. And it came with so much more features, including the skin chooser. And here it is. And I'm going to switch this one as it's its birthday, because this one just looks so good. See, this came with Windows ME, by the way, as well. But yeah, it introduced a new Windows Media Player, which was awesome. See, it says Windows ME Millennium Edition. That's to return to full mode, change visualizations, volume, and seek. You can't drag that along, but you can drag this along, which is quite nice. And you've got simple playlist, all audio and radio presets, and insert audio CD. So yep, that's quite nice. So yeah, it introduced that. It also came with Internet Explorer 5. I don't have the internet working on here, I don't think. Yeah, can't find server. I can show you the about bit though. If it'll come up, there we go. So this is version 5.50. So it's pretty much Internet Explorer version 5. From 1995 to 2000, Microsoft Corp. So yeah, it came with a new version of Windows. No, not Windows. It came with a new version of Internet Explorer at the time. And also it came with a new version of Outlook Express. So yeah, Microsoft Outlook Express 5. This product license. So yeah, it looks similar to the Windows NT5 startup. It's kind of nice. Yes, I do. But yeah, this is what it looked like at the time. I think that also fixed from Windows 98. What it improved was the if we just go on and type in con/con, it actually won't come up. Now They have fixed that before, and they've also fixed it in Windows ME, so that's quite a good thing actually. I'll show you the WinFur as well. Yep, drag it in there. Windows Millennium Edition, copyright 1981 to 2000, Microsoft Cop. They could just put Corporation there, they're a bit too lazy. And it's a different one to the Windows 2000 one because of course it was built on 9X technology, and the last one to be as well. Anyway, so also it came with a few brand new games. Oh, it also has Windows Update there, where you can update, but you can't. You can't do updates on here anymore. And I'll tell you why. Oh yeah, the Windows Millennium Edition preview. I've got to show you this. You can't hear it because I've got earphones on, but I can put them close to the microphone, I suppose, if it does work. Sorry it's glitchy, but here it is. I'm really sorry it's glitchy, guys, but that's the screen recorder. Blame it on that. Whee! Flying stuff. Hey, we should get this. No, you'll be looking at porn all day. Ching, 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 ching. Why is there flying stuff coming out of the camera? Wow. Look at the monitor back in 2000. It's just so cool. It's probably the start of widescreen monitors back then. And wow, it's flying through Earth onto this grandmother's computer. Oh yeah, this one. I'll show you this and then we'll get off here. This bit. I won't let you go on this computer. Okay, what is this, Tommy? What is this? You're grounded. Wait, that hunk of crap won't even work. Ah, I got blue screen of death. Ah, no, don't do it. Oh, I guess the kid was trying to stop him from enjoying it. Actually, I'll let you watch the rest of this, I suppose, actually. Oh, there's a bit of hairs on it, on my earphones. Anyways, actually, I'll let you watch the rest of this, actually, because it's quite awesome. Rich internet experience. Sorry it's glitchy, guys, but come on. It's blame it on the screen recorder. Anyway. Hey, we should get this internet. Nah, you'll be looking at porn all day. Yeah, Windows Update at the time. It looks so different to what we get now. We just get a window now in Windows 8. The endless possibilities start now. Yeah, the crashes start now and the blue screen of death. Boom, boom, boom. Is there a logo? Little colours going around. Quite nice. Yeah. Okay, so let's just look through this stuff, I suppose, just to give you an idea of what it was supposed to be like. So yeah, that's Windows Media Player. That's Internet Explorer. Oh yeah, this was their way of the Oh, do you remember the activity center that was in Neptune, which was supposed to be for Windows ME? Well, I guess what they did was they replaced that with this, really. So yeah, there's Windows Media Player, Movie Maker, and My Pictures. Then there's Internet Explorer, Outlook Express, and MSN Messenger. They've got Health Support Center and Register Windows, and Home Networking. Let's try out Movie Maker first. This is like a great little time capsule usually. Yep, here it is. And you can put all load of your crap here and everything. Oh, slipped from my chair. Here it is anyways. I'll hear the music. Again, I'm really sorry it's glitchy, but I blame it on the sound recorder, so you should too. That was how awesome the music was back then. And by the way, 2000 was the same year I was born as well. So I guess my birth was greeted with this. Yeah. Supposed to be able to go now. Yep. So, Movie Maker looks very, very different now. It looks so much more different than some of the it looks so much more different to what it is now in Windows 8. But back then, this was Movie Maker. This was what Movie Maker was actually like back then. But as we all know, Movie Maker is crap, and the last version to use this sort of style was Windows Vista, this one here. So yeah, that is Movie Maker. Very nice. Okay, My Pictures, it's just My Pictures usually, but we'll try it anyways. It's just a window that comes up. As you can see, it's got a new little net image. Something. Yeah. And we got a few stuff here. We got Clifton Clouds here. Diagonal Sand. You can actually zoom in if you want to. Have a little close up. Iceberg. That looks quite nice actually. Oh, everyone knows this one, the sample image. This I think was in Windows 2000 as well. Shedding Field. Smoky Light. Finsar, whatever that is, whatever that says, I don't know. And your Schmite. So diagonal sound. And also you can save it as your desktop background as well. If you right click on it and then I think you're supposed don't worry. I thought you were supposed to right click on it and then yeah, you can't do that though. Internet Explorer, we've already tried that. Outlook Express, we've already tried that, but we haven't tried MSN Messenger. Now, I thought this actually first came in Windows XP, but no, I was wrong. It actually came in Windows ME. Welcome to the MSN Messenger service. Yeah, we know. No, I don't want one. Oh, a sign-in name. Actually, let's see if we can still use mine now. Oh. I can't do AOL. If I can. Can I? Let's try it anyways, just for a bit of fun. Oh, got it wrong. Hooray! I've successfully did it. It'll log me on. See if this thing actually still works. It'd be so funny if it did. Now this thing is like a time capsule usually. Come on, log on. Log me on, god damn it. Well, while that's doing that, let's go back in here. Oh, I keep doing this. Okay, let's go back into here. And let's go on to, oh, that's bleep. That's a shame. I can't even log myself in. Aw, that's a shame. I'm going to close this as well. Help and Support Center. Register Windows. Let's try this Help and Support Center thingamajig. Really sorry it's slow, guys. It's the screen recorder anyways, so sorry about that. Yeah. So this was the I think this was pretty much the start of Help and Support, which then eventually came in Windows XP after this one. Just remember, XP wasn't out yet. I think it was still being developed by this time. Oh, it's been so slow, yeah. Come on. Oh, and let's register Windows, by the way. See if we can still register it now. Oh, cool. Let's actually try and do this and see what happens. Oh, connection. Here it is, Help and Support, by the way. Like using Windows Millennium Edition. Oh look, there's a boy with his I don't know, granddad there. Yeah, and he starts using it for the first 5 seconds and it gets a BSOD. So yeah, you got using Windows Millennium Edition. Wow, this has been really slow at the moment. Click on one of the links on the left. Oh yeah, what's new? Let's look at what's new. I think there's also System Restore as well in this, which is quite a nice little feature. What's What's new in Microsoft Windows Millennium Edition? Now Windows is more conservative and easier to use than ever. Yeah, right. Click on the following tiles to find out more. Let's use this one. Let's do this one. Windows ME includes many new features. Actually, it did actually. When your computer will start more quickly. Yeah, right. And we've added protection for important system files. These improvements make Windows even more reliable. Not with this one, it didn't. Okay, let's close this thing anyways. Before this thing even dies on me. Don't detect. Oh, modem. Haven't got a modem. Ah, cancel then. It's probably going to fail actually. Yeah, I can't register it. And home networking. Let's look at this. I like the Windows ME logo at the top. Windows Millennium Edition makes it easier to create a home network. Not when it has a BSOD coming up afterwards. To start, you'll need the following. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's look at some others. Windows Millennium Edition makes it easier for you. Yeah, right. Mind you, the new features were good, but that's just a win there. Seriously. Seriously, who thought that? Getting your work done. And now you can easily accomplish your task right from your computer desktop. Duh. You've done that in Windows 95 as well. Welcome to the Windows Millennium Edition operating system. You're now using your computer is easier and more conservative than ever. Yeah, right? Oh, I've got to stop saying that. This tour will give you an overview of Windows Millennium Edition. Windows ME for short, yeah. Blah blah. In this what's new section, blah 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 blah. Yeah. And that is it for the tour anyways. Let's click on exit. So yes, this has came with quite a few new features. However, unfortunately, this became unstable for a lot of people. Oh, sorry, I was doing my screen there. So it became a lot unstable for people because they kept getting a BSOD every time. Some people just found it so unstable. So yeah. And Microsoft, I think, kept getting a lot of complaints about this. So that's why I decided a year later to release another operating system, which the best operating system in the world, XP. Anyway, so if we go into games here, yes, they've added a few new games here as well, which is quite nice. I mean, you've got Classic Solitaire, Free Cell, Minesweeper, and Pinball from Windows 2000, but they also got all this. Unfortunately, I can't play the internet ones because of the haven't got the internet on hand right now. I know I have got it on my host machine. I have got it on the one I'm running on, but I haven't configured the internet for this virtual machine. So yeah, let's try playing pinball. This is where the fun starts. I'll show you the sound again. Sorry, it's glitchy. And then you can just play this. Let me configure everything. There's there. Which one is it? Oh, I don't know the keys. Okay, so it's oh, so it's that one. Why would it not do it? Okay, I'm gonna need to find another one here. I'm gonna use X. Because it's more easier. Okay, I know. Oh my god, come on. Okay, let's just try. Spacebar. Oh, that's a plunger. Enter, that'll help. Let's see. I can't do it! If I can, wait. Oh, the game was paused after all. Well, there it is anyways. Oh, glitchiness. This is quite a fun game actually. Just a shame it bugs too much. Ah, tilt. No. I hate glitchiness, especially with a screen recorder. I think this game was in Windows 2000 as well. Yeah, it was. I think. Oh yeah, it was in Windows 2000, yeah. Ah. This is ball number 3. I'm going to take my earphones off, actually, because the glitchiness, the sound. Yep, that was high score. So yeah, that was the high score. I'm just going to type my name in. Actually, let's type in anything. Pooh. There you go. And if we go into high scores, there you go. Number 1 is Pooh on 231,750. Good enough. And that is about all. I'll show you what this logo does, by the way. Yeah, but I think it would redirect you to the new site, and it would say that it's not compatible. Now, unfortunately, Windows ME became unsupported on July the 11th, 2006. So I was 6 years old at that time. So yeah. So Windows ME became unsupported in July the 11th, 2006. So about 5-6 years after its release, and because of criticism. So yeah. So this was also the last of MS-DOS. This was the last one to introduce MS-DOS. So yeah. So before we give it a little something, before we give it its little birthday present, let's take a look at a few stuff. First of all, you got Paint. I'm glad the wireless keyboard actually works well, especially in the virtual machine. Yeah, it's just work of art. There you go. And then you can colour it with, I don't know, yeah, colour it with a few stuff. Yeah, work of art. No, I don't want to save changes. Haven't got a BSOD on here yet, oddly. You got calculator, 5, add, 5, equals 10. Woo! You don't say. Okay, you got imaging, which is pretty much Windows image thingy-majig. Windows Explorer, you got WordPad, which is similar to Notepad. I'll only show you one of them. Here's Notepad. Yeah, you can type in whatever random crap you want there. Yeah. I put it in fag there. You can see. There we go, fag. And I'm not really going to show you more anyways, but I will show you the MS-DOS prompt. Now this was the last operating system to have MS-DOS in it. Yeah. So this was sadly the last operating system to have MS-DOS in it. Or MS-DOS support in it. What do I think of Windows ME anyways? The features were good, but I really hated it because of the unsupportive. Because it was really unsupportive, and yeah. So all in all, a lot of people hated Windows ME. It was horrible, it was slow, it was buggy, it kept crashing, stuff like that. And I think it's my second worst operating system. My third worst operating system is Windows Vista, but I don't mind using it though. Second is Windows ME, and first is damn crap Windows 8. I'm not going to go into more detail about that operating system again. Anyway, so you're wondering, oh, are you going to give it a little birthday present or something? Yes, I am. You see, it's this. Go to C. CD. CD. C. There we go. And then what we can do is we're going to go into here and type in this special code. It will give it the birthday present it really deserves. It's taking a bit long. I think it's because there's a load of files in the Windows directory that needs to be deleted. Let's see if we can enlarge it, see what happens. Oh, that looks better. Actually, I'll keep it as that. Wait, should I? Actually, no. I'm going to keep it as that so we can see all the stuff being deleted. Anything being deleted? Let's see here. Let's see if Explorer still works. Oh, come on, Windows. I'm going to go into the directory and see what's going on here. And see what it will do. Oh, there we go. It's deleting stuff. Oh my god, look at everything. It's disappearing. Oh my god. Oh my god, the Windows update's gone. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. It's literally all going. Let's look at control panel and see if that's still intact. Look at the, oh my god, oh my god. The quick launch bar is gone. Click and close. Let's see if it will actually, properties. Taskbar and start menu, no. No. It's, look at that. Look at that. It's all screwed up. Oh yeah, I probably. Oh yeah, it's because of me. Oh sorry, peeps, I did that. Okay, let's look at my computer and see what contents are left. See all remnants in. All left, anyways. Come on. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Let's look at System 32. Oh my god, it's gone. It's all gone. Oh no, I think it was there in the first place. I think there's only one object in there in the first place. Let's actually look at System. Still some stuff in there. No. Come on. Explorer. There's no text on the bar. Wow. Oh wow, come on. Oh, but it still comes up though. Alright, let's see what else will be done here. Some of the stuff in here's gone. Internet Explorer probably won't come up. Nope. Cancel. Come on. Wow, that's deleted a lot of things from that drive. Oh my god. What's it done to this machine that's murdered it? Will this work? Yeah, it still works. Yeah. Right, let's reboot this machine and see what will happen. Let's reboot and see what happens. Come on, you crappy operating system. It looks like it's not restarting or something. Let's do a hard reset. Haha! There we go. Managed to hit it. Says infold system disk. Replace the disk and then press any key. It can't do anything. And then this comes up. And that is it. We've destroyed Windows ME. If you want to know what the code is, it's right here. Here's the code. So that's del3/y and C drive. There. So yeah. So on that bombshell, that is it. Happy 13th birthday to Windows ME. Thank you very much for watching this long video. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.